Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Simran Connects. Actually, welcome back to me. I am here with a guitar lesson after a very long time. So many of you have been asking me to post tutorials. I don't know, मुझ जैसे noob का lessons आप लोगों को शायद helpful लगता है and I'm ever grateful. Anyways, today we are going to be learning the chords for the beautiful song that stole all our hearts, Kahani Suno. 2.0, 2.0, whatever you call it. And if you are a beginner, or even if you are not a beginner but you don't know how to play bar chords, or you're not comfortable, do not worry, all the chords here are open because I play open chords only as of now. And you are as superior as the people who play bar chords, so just get that thing out of your head because I have been in your shoes. So yeah, Kahani Suno has very simple chords, and all of you watching this, trust me, can play it. Like, if you know the basic open chords, you don't need to know anything else. Okay, so the chords: A minor, G major, F major, C major. Very easy. A minor, G major, F major, C major. Four chords: A minor, G major, F major, C major. I don't think I've missed out on any chord, but we'll see. Okay, now capo. Again, as I keep saying in every video, I will be adjusting the capo as per my skill. You put a capo or you do not put a capo, and on which fret you put the capo depends on you, your vocal range, your singing, so you have to adjust it accordingly. I have placed my capo on the 4th fret. Again, you have to choose it as per your scale and comfort. So it starts like this. कहानी सुनो, हाँ जुबानी सुनो, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था. So I did the single strum to just show you the progression. A minor, G major, F major, G major, A minor. If you want to play some intro music, or something in between, like instead of just singing the song, like कहानी सुनो, हाँ जुबानी सुनो, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था. You can play like this, okay? But if you want to add some slight variation, you can play something. This is totally on you now. A lot of you will be wondering, what am I doing? 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Now you can obviously switch strings. It just happens when you play. You don't literally look and see that which string am I playing, right? So it's like A minor, I am holding A minor, and then I'm starting with the 5th string. This is the 6th string, right? This is a 5th string. So 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. Got it? Sorry. अब आपका हाथ लग जा ही सकता है 6th string में. This is no mistake. Like, it should just sound good, but of course when you play A minor, if you start with the 4th or the 5th, it is sounding better, right? Then F major. Then when we go to G major, we do from the 6th string. So what am I doing here? 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Like, it is no science, okay? I'm just, because a lot of you might be wondering what pattern. You can do some better stuffs also, right? So this is just a basic. So I'd start with A minor because that's where you are singing. Got the idea? So this is something that you can do in the starting or in between, when you're taking a break. Now let's dive into the song, the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. you can keep this, you can improvise, and as I said, play karte karte ho jata hai. I cannot give you the exact thing what I am playing, because guys, I don't play in a way where I can like tell you that yeah, I played exact this मैंने ये किया था, right? I can only give you the base. Now when you play, obviously it can be different, you can improvise, as long as you're playing the right chords, you're in sync, nothing really matters, okay? कहानी सुनो, हाँ जुबानी सुनो, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था. कहानी सुनो, हाँ जुबानी सुनो, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था. Done. अब next part में the C major comes in. दीवाना हुआ, मस्ताना हुआ, तेरे चाहत में कितना फसाना हुआ, तेरे आने की खुशबू, तेरे जाने का मंजर, तुझे मिलना पड़ेगा ज़माना हुआ. सदाएं सुनो, हाँ जफ़ाएं सुनो, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था. Done. Now comes the third verse, like the third different part. अब इसके बाद everything is going to be a repetition of what you learned so far. है तमन्ना हमें तुम्हें दुल्हन बनाए, तेरे हाथों पे मेहंदी अपने नाम की सजाए, तेरे ले बलाए, तेरे सदके उतारे, है तमन्ना हमें तुम्हें अपना बनाए. नहीं मुश्किल वफा, जरा देखो यहाँ, तेरी आँखों में बसता है मेरा जहाँ. So this part is same as दीवाना हुआ, so the chords will be the same. And then again कहानी सुनो is going to be the way we played A minor से शुरू. So that's pretty much about it. And you might have a doubt, why am I playing this way? This is, again, I keep saying in every tutorial, I feel comfortable playing with my finger and fingertips, but yes, without nails. I don't have nails. I like the mellow sound, and I'm not at all used to holding the plectrum or playing with the plectrum. I don't know, initially I used to think maybe it's some issue that I have or something, but my sir, the teacher I've been learning from now, told me it's totally okay. Some people prefer playing with their nails, some with the plectrum, some with the fingertips. So I'll just give you a quick tip. So suppose if you want to play something very soft, what I do is I don't play it like this with the tip of my nail. Like, not, I don't have nails, I'm just saying the surface of the normal nail that I have. I don't use that. What I do is I use the side of my thumb, okay? Like if it's a very slow song. Now suppose the chorus comes or something and you need some volume and some energy in the strings. I don't know what am I saying, but you get it, right? So what I do, like some more force. So what I do is I don't put pressure or anything, but the way I play changes. Instead of just using this, what I do is I play like this, like you would have held a plectrum. So, but yes, I do not have nails. With nails you probably get even better sound, but yeah, I don't have and I cannot keep. So very easy, right? If you pick up the song after watching this little tutorial of mine, don't forget to share it on my mail. It's in the description, or you can also DM me on Instagram. I would be more than happy. And also for any queries, please comment below. I'll clear it in the next video. Let me know which songs lesson you would want me to post next. And please, I am no guitarist out here. You guys want me to show you what I play, and that's what I'm doing. So yeah, and so you got it. Very easy chords: A minor, F major, G major, C major, and you can do some like things in between to impress or just to satisfy your soul, your ears, like I showed. You can do any pattern that goes with the tempo of the song. Okay, and also you can sing also on this pattern and then go to the this thing. Okay, so like कहानी सुनो हाँ जुबानी सुनो मुझे प्यार हुआ था इकरार हुआ था मुझे प्यार हुआ था इकरार हुआ था. Then you can go gently to the कहानी सुनो हाँ जुबानी सुनो मुझे प्यार हुआ था इकरार हुआ था. Got it? And in the end you can do something like this. प्यार हुआ था प्यार हुआ था प्यार हुआ था प्यार हुआ था. Got it? Alright, like कर देना यार. एक like won't cost you anything but would mean a lot to me. At least I'll get it that these people have watched the video and given a thumbs up, and you can comment. That makes me even happier. And you can subscribe for more. Press the bell icon because my channel is full of glitches and most people don't get notified. So sorry for what I just said. Yeah, bye, take care and practice करना मत भूलना.